Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Business Online Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Business Online Payroll Login. Then scroll down a little bit. There you can see Welcome to Business Online Payroll. Click on it or go to www.onlinepayroll.com. Then from the top right corner you can see login option. Click to it. Then you will be redirected to a login page. There you can log in as a business account or an employee account. Enter your username. Then click to next. Then enter your password. Then you should be able to access your Business Online Payroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.